All right, let's jump into the very near future. We're talking 2025 to see how Google's AI is about to completely change how we get things done every single day. Let's dive in.
So let's set the scene. The year is 2025, and AI, well, it's not some far off sci fi concept anymore. It's actually woven right into the tools you're already using every single day.
And this brings up a huge question. What if your tech stopped being just a tool you use and instead became a partner, something that could actually learn, create, and plan with you?
So, what's making all this happen? The engine behind everything is Gemini 3. This is Google's newest, most powerful AI model, and it's the brain that's powering all the incredible stuff we're about to see across search, photos, Chrome, and, well, pretty much everywhere else. Okay, first up, let's talk about supercharging how you learn. We've all been there, right? Drowning in information. So how does AI get us from that feeling of overload to, actually understanding things instantly? The secret weapon here is a tool called Notebook LM. The best way to think about it is as your own personal AI research assistant. It's built from the ground up to help you digest really complex information way faster than you could on your own. And this slide just lays it out so clearly. You know the old way? Endless searching, manually taking notes, copying and pasting a million links. The Notebook LM way is completely different. You just upload your sources, ask questions like you'd ask a person, and boom, you get instant summaries. And this is where it gets really, really useful. Notebook LM can automatically make flashcards for you to study, or generate quizzes based on your notes to see what you actually know. It can even create a narrated video summary of a topic. And, get this, it can connect to your Google Workspace, so it has context from your emails and docs. It's just so smart. Now, this intelligence isn't just stuck inside some app. Gemini 3 is now so capable that it can build custom tools for you right inside Google Search. So let's say you're looking at mortgages. It can create a live, interactive loan calculator for you right there in the results. No extra clicks needed. Okay, so that's learning covered. But what about actually making stuff? The whole idea here is to use AI to knock down those creative barriers, to make creating something that absolutely everyone can do, no matter your skill level. Come on, we've all been there. You snap a great photo, but there's just one thing that ruins it. That fence in the background or some random person who walked into the shot. It's so frustrating. Well, now the fix is as easy as just talking. You can literally just tell Google Photos, erase the fence, or, hey, can you restore this old photo? And it just does it. Basically, complicated photo editing is becoming a conversation. It's wild. And it goes way, way beyond just little photo fixes. AI can now take a still picture, animate it, and even add audio. It can look at all the photos of your baking and turn them into a beautiful, shareable recipe book for you. And with a new tool called Flow, you can even start playing around with AI-powered filmmaking. I just love this quote from the source material because it really captures the magic. You just describe a story, any story you can think of, and Gemini will generate a whole 10-page book for you, complete with original art and audio. That's not just a small improvement. That is a massive leap forward. So we've got learning, we've got creating, but what about all that boring life admin stuff we all have to do? Well, this next part is all about how AI is becoming your go-to partner for just getting things done. Here's a feeling I bet you know all too well. You're trying to plan a trip, and before you know it, you've got like 20 different tabs open. Flights, hotels, things to do. It's just total chaos. Well, Gemini and Chrome can now look across all of those open tabs. It understands the context, and you can just ask it to pull everything together and it'll create one simple, clean itinerary for you. Problem solved? And that same simplicity is coming to your smart home. Instead of digging through menus in some app, you can just say what you want out loud, like create an automation to lock the door and turn on the porch lights at sunset. And that's it. It's done. No complicated setup. And this help isn't just for when you're sitting at your desk. You can point your phone's camera at a broken appliance, and Gemini Live will help you troubleshoot it in real time. You can even have an AI agent in search actually call a local shop for you to see if they have something in stock. It's all about saving you time, everywhere. So when you put all these pieces together, the smarter learning, the easier creating, the seamless way it manages your life, what you start to see is a really fundamental shift in how we interact with our technology. And this is the main takeaway right here. Your AI isn't just a simple assistant that does what it's told anymore. It's becoming a true co-pilot, an active partner that thinks ahead and works with you to get things done.
all of this amazing technology is being put right into your hands, making things that were once complex incredibly simple. So really, the only question left to ask is, with a partner this capable, what are you going to create?